How to find trending hashtags on Instagram. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Now, moving towards the video, first of all you have to open Twitter account. As you open Twitter app on your account, then you have to go on the home option. As you go on the home option, then you have to go on search icon that is located with the home option and click on that. As you go on the search icon, it will take some time to load as it's taking on mine. Now over here you will have the trends that are over here in Pakistan. Now if you want to know the hashtags, everything that has hashtag behind it, like hashtag Multan, hashtag band, hashtag BMW X5, this all videos or tweets are trending on Twitter. This is how you can find trending hashtags on Twitter. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.